Is your Magento 2 store as quick as it could be? Let's accelerate your site's performance together. Watch on and discover how to boost speed effortlessly. Speed matters for user satisfaction and sales. Even a 1-second delay can hurt conversions. Begin with a strong foundation and choose a reliable hosting provider for Magento. Ensure server compatibility with Magento 2 requirements. Your hosting should have robust performance and great support. Keep it close to your audience to cut down load times. Optimize Magento 2 settings for faster performance. Enable flat catalogs to reduce the time it takes to fetch product data. Here's how. First, log into your Magento 2 admin panel. Navigate to Stores, then Settings, and select Configuration. On the left sidebar, click Catalog, then again on Catalog. Expand the storefront section. Change Use Flat Catalog Category and Use Flat Catalog Product to Yes. Click Save Config. This will apply to your changes. Make sure to flush the Magento cache to apply the changes. That's it. You've configured flat catalogs, setting the stage for a faster customer browsing experience. Let's look at other optimization techniques. Keep your images and media files lean. Utilize image compression, adopt lazy loading, and consider the WebP format. Fewer HTTP requests mean a quicker site. Merge and minify JavaScript and CSS files. Explore critical CSS for prioritized loading. Extensions can add value and slow down your site. Assess their impact and streamline for efficiency. Leverage caching and content delivery networks, CDNs. Built-in Magento caching, Varnish, and Redis are your friends. Embrace HTTP2 for simultaneous file processing. It's faster, more secure, and more efficient than HTTP1. Maintain your database regularly. Clean logs and backup data to keep your store running smoothly. That's it for speeding up Magento 2. Fast-track your store to satisfy your customers. For more optimization tricks, subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's keep your store ahead of the curve.